ตากันเจียมีจะเตปอลเฮเราตาส่วนไหลที่ค่ะเจ้ากินฟิล์มค่ะอาหาวนาอินเจ้าง่ายอินชัวค่ะฟันฮาร์เวจ้าอัตลาวโลนักดิ่งขันกันเจียมีเด็กค่ะ recording ค่ะไม่เลยเทจงจานักมาดิ่งขันวันตัวเฮกดูอตุยการเรลดูมีฮิกาหินกัจเชดูมีโจมิโซรัม State Chief Minister ปูลัลดูโอมารัวนักเปดูกันทีไลคติ MLA members เวมิค่ะอามินะปูลัลมุนปุยะปุนเตที่เสข้าฮิกาเลยะดีสิเลยะห้องตอนเดียวะกันชาสักขันกันเตาปีเบรัวนักเตเตค่ะกันในและจะบรรทุกจนกันดูมิเตสงขากันเหชิมปะจะจนมาสองนี่เบียขัตั้งปีกันรัวจูเลียวะกัชิมมิโจกาหิน according จะกายเชียตาไล Honorable Pu Lalmuanpuia Punte member of the Legislative Assembly Mizoram State we sincerely thankful for accepting our invitation this evening and for allowing us, the chief leaders of the DC area Lai Churches Fellowship, comprising 4 Hakka speaking churches in DC, to welcome you and your spouse. As you know, we, the Chin people, have been forced to leave our homeland due to an oppressive government, resulting in our displacement across the world. Thank you for your love and care for 40,000 Chin refugees in Mizoram. We deeply appreciate your compassion and assistance to them. We remain hopeful that the situation in our country will improve by the power of God, the Almighty, whom we believe in. We respectfully request your continued support and solidarity with all the Chin people in Mizoram and abroad, as fellow believers in Jesus Christ and as members of one nation. The Chin and Mizo are small minorities globally. If we unite, we will earn respect and admiration from other nations, particularly as we share a common Christian faith. Therefore, unity between the Chin and Mizo communities is essential. In addition to political consideration, trade relations between Chin State and Mizoram State should be given serious attention. For example, number one, the Ri and Champai Road connecting Champai and Ri is a vital road for development. It links Chin State to the Sky Division in Myanmar. Number two, the Sai Shichok Road connecting Sangao, Bangkok, and Boinu, sharpened an important border trade road. Hakka, the capital of Chin State, is located 60 miles from Boinu at India-Burma border. The Sai Shichok Road connects the border town of Thao, Vailamtang to Zopei, Lao Tu, Zoutung, Southern Chin State, and Magway Division in Myanmar, and to the Central Road in Burma, Sky Division. One, Hakka and Chanchang towns are not accessible due to the military restrictions. This Sai Shichok Road is used extensively. This road transport goods to Sangao, Saiha, Longlai, Lunglei, Nathiel, and Aizawl. Number three, we are Christians, and it is always good to have fellowship between the churches in Chin State and Mizoram, not only for the extension of the kingdom of God, but for the closer relationship and unity in Jesus' name. There are over 200 Lai-speaking churches abroad, And the relationship between the local churches and the Chin churches abroad is also vital. Number 4, the Chin in Myanmar needs unity among themselves during our fight for federal democracy in Myanmar. Our sincere requests are as follows. Number 1, the Mizoram government should work with the Indian central government for more free tourism in Mizoram for the citizens of other countries. Number 2, the Mizo brothers and sisters should take our Chin people more seriously. And number 3, they must be able to run the Chin National Council seriously. We also extend our heartfelt appreciation to you. We would be most grateful if you would accept this small token of our gratitude. May God bless you all. Thank you so much. Reverend Dr. Sidukam, Senior Pastor of Chin Baptist Churches, Chin Baptist Mission Church, Baltimore, Maryland. Thank you.